Open Microsoft Edge, as at the moment Bing AI or chatbot only works on Microsoft Edge. In the address bar, type bing.com, select chat tab. You could choose between creative, balanced or precise. I leave it as creative, and now in the chat box type plan and as you're typing it gives you some suggestions of the words that it thinks are more likely that you want to choose. So to make the typing easier, press tab, intended trip to England, and then enter. Then it will start searching and generating answers for you, but as you can see it doesn't give day by day where to go. So instead type please give a list for each day and then enter, and now it gives a list for each day but not the times. But if you ask for the times, for example in London, it simply cannot provide that at this moment in time. Now for each place you could also search for another list, for example list for 3 days in London, and you can keep asking a day in different places. After 5 questions you will get this message saying you have reached the conversation limit for today. If you want to ask more questions then you will need to sign in, but if you don't want to sign in then you can instead click on new topic and ask new questions but as a new conversation. Instead of list it's better to say itinerary. So you could ask a question such as itinerary for 3 days in England except London, and then enter. And I think I like this format the most. In here it also gives you some suggestions of further questions that you could ask by just clicking on them, such as what is the best way to travel between these places, and then it will give you a generic answer. And finally on Microsoft Edge you should see a button for Bing. Simply click on it. On the chat tab you could do exactly the same thing. You could also adjust this panel size, and you can ask what is the cheapest way to go to between 2 different places. In this way it will give you a more precise answer. And as you can see with train it's more expensive. It would cost you around 61 to 109 pounds, but if you got a car it would be 63.8 miles and it will cost you between 16 to 25 pounds. If there are any tips or tricks that I've missed in this video that you want to share, please mention that in the comments